haya mambo ya kumisinform ama kuwadanganya wa Kenya kwa mambo kama hayo kwa sababu ya siasa kabisa ni makosa, haifai kufanyika.
Mama Zamzam, that is a fair challenge. Order. Order. That's a fair challenge. Can you point out which...
Ngoja nipe nafasi Mheshimiwa Spika, nitaiangalia kisha kipengee mahali kiko. Lakini kiko, Mheshimiwa Spika, nipigieni kelele, mimi sijali, nitawaambia ni ukweli, Wakenya wanahangaika. Mmekuja hapa, mmelipwa pesa, mmepewa pesa nyingi kuja kuwa Wakenya katika bunge hili.
Order. Order, honorable members, order. Order, Mama Zamzam. Order, Honorable Zamzam. Order, Honorable Zamzam. Order, KJ. Order, members. We were doing so well in terms of decorum and production from members until we reached here. Mama Zamzam, order, standing order 91. Every member is responsible for the accuracy of any facts which you allege. And the Speaker doesn't get involved in your allegations until you are challenged. When a colleague challenges you, the easy thing is not to raise your voice. The easy thing is to say, this is found in clause this and that of the bill. And it ends there. That is how you discharge your responsibility. If it is not in the bill, then the challenge becomes legitimate, and the decent thing to do is to withdraw and move on with your other contributions. Order. The Speaker needs no assistance. Honorable Kamket. Honorable Zamzam, if it is in the bill, point out to the chair of the committee. If it isn't, just withdraw and move on with your other contributions.